Hi. Let us now discuss void agreement and void contract. A void agreement is a nullity. Nullity means you cannot go to court and enforce your rights. Social agreements between parties are all void. In other words, you cannot go to court to enforce your right in a social agreement. For instance, A invites B for dinner. A and B are friends. Suppose B doesn't turn up for the dinner. A cannot go to court and file a suit against him for breach. Because A and B are friends, the agreement between them is void, not enforceable in the court of law. So, an agreement not enforceable in the court of law is a void agreement. What is a contract? A contract is an agreement enforceable by law. Suppose an agreement can be enforced in the court of law, you call that as contract. For an agreement to be enforced in the court of law, it should satisfy certain conditions. Basically, 6 conditions must be satisfied. They are valid offer, valid acceptance, lawful consideration, competent parties, legality of object, free and voluntary consent. Now, when all the 6 conditions are satisfied, you say that the contract is valid and therefore it is enforceable in the court of law. Besides the 6, the parties should also have the intention to create legal relationship between them. If there is no intention to create legal relationship, you call it as a social agreement. If there is a legal intention to create legal relationship, you call it as a contract. So, contract is an agreement enforceable in the court of law. What is a void contract? A void contract is a nullity. It is not a contract at all. And a contract which is enforceable at the time of formation, it becomes void due to the impossibility of performance. You call that contract as void contract. Let us take an example to understand this better. A owns a horse. He enters into an agreement with B on 1st January to sell it. By this agreement, B promises to pay 10 lakhs by way of the price. Both of them agree that the contract will be executed on the 1st of May. Now, on 1st May, A is supposed to transfer his horse to B and B will be paying the price for the horse. Now, the contract was valid on 1st January, but between 1st January and 1st May, the horse died. Because of the death of the horse could not be transferred on 1st May by A and B could not pay the price. Now you say the contract is void. Here you find the contract valid between 1st January and middle of April. Let us say the horse died in April. And because of the death of the horse in middle of April, the contract becomes void and hence on 1st May it could not be executed. You call this as a void contract. So, a void contract is a nullity. It is not enforceable in the court of law. No rights and duties arise out of a void contract. Suppose at the time of signing the contract itself, the horse dies or the horse is already dead. Then we say that the contract is void ab initio. A contract void ab initio is never a contract. It has never come into existence. But a contract which is void was valid for some time when it was formed and it became void due to the happening of an event beyond the control of the parties. We will see more in the next videos wherein we will be discussing the difference between contract and tort. Thank you.